Have you ever dreamed of a place where vibrant, pastel-colored houses cling to the cliffs, overlooking a serene harbor filled with gleaming yachts? A place where cobblestone streets wind through charming boutiques and cafes, and every corner offers a postcard-perfect view? Welcome to Portofino, Italy, a jewel of the Italian Riviera that has captivated travelers for centuries. Nestled along Italy's Ligurian coast, Portofino is a picturesque fishing village that has transformed into a luxurious retreat for the elite. Its natural harbour, surrounded by lush hills and colourful buildings, creates a mesmerising landscape that has inspired artists, celebrities, and travellers alike. As a cruise port destination, Portofino offers an intimate glimpse into Italian coastal life, blending rich history with modern sophistication. Arrival and orientation. As your cruise ship anchors in the tranquil bay, you'll be tended ashore directly into the heart of Portofino. The tender boats dock near the iconic Piazzetta, the town's main square, making it easy to begin your exploration immediately. The compact nature of Portofino means that everything is within walking distance, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in its charm without the need for extensive transportation. Exploring Portofino Piazzetta. The Piazzetta is the beating heart of Portofino, where life slows down to the perfect Italian rhythm. This lively square is framed by pastel-colored buildings that glow under the Mediterranean sun, housing chic boutiques, cozy trattorias, and luxury cafes. The air is filled with the sounds of gentle waves, clinking espresso cups, and the occasional murmur of conversations in Italian. Sitting at a waterfront cafe here, you'll feel like part of an exclusive club, one where locals, tourists, and even celebrities seamlessly blend into the elegant yet laid-back atmosphere. Watching the sleek yachts bob in the harbour, you can almost feel the town's history whispering through the sea breeze. A simple espresso or a creamy gelato in hand makes the experience even more delightful. In the evening, the Piazzetta transforms into a more intimate space. Lights reflect off the calm water, and soft music drifts from open restaurant doors, inviting you to enjoy a leisurely aperitivo. Whether it's a midday break or an evening rendezvous, the Piazzetta encapsulates the essence of la dolce vita, unhurried, charming, and utterly unforgettable. Castello Brown. Perched above the harbour, Castello Brown is a historic fortress with unbeatable panoramic views. A short uphill walk through lush gardens leads to this 16th century structure, once a military stronghold and now a museum. Inside, you'll find historical exhibits and art collections that tell the story of Portofino's past. However, the real highlight is the castle's terrace. From here, the view of the town, the sea, and the coastline is breathtaking. The surrounding gardens add to the magic, with winding paths and shaded spots perfect for a peaceful moment away from the crowds. If you want a different perspective of Portofino, this is the place to be. Church of St. George, Chiesa di San Giorgio. Just a short walk from Castello Brown, the Church of St. George is a hidden gem that offers some of the best views in town. Dedicated to Portofino's patron saint, this small but significant church houses relics brought back by sailors over the centuries. The charm of this spot isn't just in its history, it's also in the setting. The church's terrace provides a stunning overlook of the sea and the town below, making it a favourite stop for visitors looking for a quiet moment to take in the scenery. Whether you're interested in history, photography, or simply a peaceful escape, this spot delivers. Portofino Lighthouse, Faro di Portofino. For those who enjoy a scenic walk, the trail to the Portofino Lighthouse is a must. Winding through lush greenery with glimpses of the sea between the trees, the hike is just as rewarding as the destination. When you reach the lighthouse, you'll find yourself at the very edge of the promontory, with nothing but the open sea ahead. A small cafe nearby offers refreshments, making it the perfect place to rest while taking in the endless horizon. It's a peaceful and lesser-known spot that adds a touch of adventure to your visit. Nearby attractions Paraggi Bay. A short distance from Portofino, Paraggi Bay is a stunning stretch of coastline known for its crystal clear waters and soft, sandy beach. Unlike the rocky shores found in many parts of the Ligurian coast, Paraggi offers an ideal spot for swimming, sunbathing, or snorkeling. With its serene atmosphere and breathtaking surroundings, this bay attracts both locals and visitors looking for a relaxing beach escape. If you have time to spare and want to experience the Mediterranean's beauty up close, Paraggi Bay is worth the short trip. Santa Margherita Ligure. Just a few kilometers from Portofino, Santa Margherita Ligure is a larger, equally charming town with a more local feel. You can reach it by bus, boat, or even on foot along a scenic coastal path. This town offers grand villas, palm-lined promenades, and a vibrant atmosphere with plenty of shops and restaurants to explore. The food scene here is fantastic, with plenty of spots serving fresh seafood and traditional Ligurian dishes. If you want to experience a different side of the Italian Riviera, Santa Margherita Ligure is a perfect choice. San Fruttuoso Abbey, tucked away in a secluded cove, the Abbey of San Fruttuoso is one of the most unique destinations near Portofino. Only accessible by boat or a hiking trail, this medieval monastery is surrounded by rugged cliffs and turquoise waters. The abbey itself is steeped in history, with its ancient stone architecture standing against the dramatic coastal backdrop. It's a perfect blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty, offering an escape from the crowds and a chance to explore a lesser-known gem of the Italian Riviera. Culinary delights. Portofino's culinary scene is a testament to Ligurian traditions. Fresh seafood, homemade pasta, and locally sourced ingredients are the hallmarks of its cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to try trofi al pesto, a regional pasta dish tossed in the famous Genovese basil pesto. Pair your meal with a glass of local white wine, such as Vermentino or Pigato, to complete the gastronomic experience. Shopping and leisure. The narrow streets of Portofino are lined with high-end boutiques and artisan shops. From designer fashion to handcrafted jewelry, the shopping experience here is both exclusive and delightful. Even if shopping isn't on your agenda, strolling through these charming alleys provides insight into the town's sophisticated yet laid-back lifestyle. Practical tips. Transportation. Portofino is best explored on foot due to its compact size and pedestrian-friendly streets. For nearby excursions, local buses and ferries connect Portofino to surrounding towns and attractions. Currency. The local currency is the euro. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's advisable to carry some cash for small purchases or in establishments that prefer cash payments. Language. Italian is the official language, but English is commonly understood in tourist areas. Learning a few basic Italian phrases can enhance your interactions and show appreciation for the local culture. Portofino is more than just a picturesque village. It's a destination that encapsulates the beauty, culture, and elegance of the Italian Riviera. Whether you're wandering through its charming streets, savoring its culinary delights, or simply soaking in the stunning views, Portofino offers an unforgettable experience that lingers long after you've departed. If you enjoyed this journey through Portofino, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest travel guides and adventures. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below and let us know your favorite memories of Portofino or any questions you might have. Until next time, happy travels.